Hey everyone, this is Puneet back again from ExcelChamps, and in this video I will share with you 3 new Excel options which I started using in 2021 and I fell in love with these options. So let's get started. The first option that I started using last year in 2021 is the search bar that we have on the top of the Excel window. Now with this search bar, this is one benefit that I got is I can search for all the options that I want to use in Excel, and I don't need to actually jump from one tab to another tab. So I will simply go to the search bar and click on it, or you can also use the shortcut key Alt plus Q. So when I click on the search bar, it actually allows me to type and search for the option that I want to use. So for example, if I want to insert a pivot table, I will type pivot table. And it gives me this option that says summarize with pivot table. And when I click on this, it actually gives me the dialog box to insert a pivot table. And now if I want to insert a line chart, I will type line chart and it gives me the option to insert a line chart here. Now let me tell you something, that I manage all the Excel files in OneDrive. So when I do that, this search bar also allows me to search for files as well. So if I want to open a specific file, I don't need to go to the file tab and then select that file from there. I can simply search that file from search bar directly. And I can open that instantly. The second option that I started using last year in 2021 is I can unhide multiple sheets in one go. So now in this workbook, I have few sheets that are hidden, and if I want to unhide these sheets, now if I want to unhide all of these sheets, I simply need to click on the sheet 1 and then I need to press the shift key and then click on the last name of the sheets. Now all the sheets are selected now from this unhide dialog box, and I will click OK, and all the sheets will be unhide using this option. So this option was not there in Excel a few months ago, but it's there now and I'm using it quite frequently to unhide multiple sheets. Now the third option that I actually using these days a lot is analyze data. So with analyze data, you can actually get a few recommendations from Excel to to present your data or to analyze your data. So when I click on analyze data, it opens side pane and it takes a few seconds, 1 or 2 seconds, to give you some of the most important insights here. So here it shows pivot table, a product wise or year wise pivot table, and then a chart year wise, category wise. And here it gives me a trend of sales that increases over time. And here we have a few more recommendations to present or use data, or to analyze data actually. Now here's the best part, it also allows you to ask for a specific question to get an answer about the data. So let's suppose if I want to know the total of product chains, the total sales for the product chains. So I will simply say sales chains, and so it gives me a recommendation of pivot table that shows the total of chains is $45,100. And in the same way, if I want to know the sales of category clothing, so again it shows me a pivot table with the sales of category clothing. So this option is quite smart to give you recommendation about analyzing data or presenting data in your workbook. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and check out this video with top 21 Excel tips and tricks for 2022.